Hello, everyone. This is Attorney Robyn McCoy, and I am running for state representative in House District 32, which includes the city of Ypsilanti, Ypsi Township, parts of Pittsfield, and parts of Superior. So I presently live in Ypsi Township, and I grew up in Superior Township. I have a firm, McCoy and Associates, and I am a partner with the firm. My father works with me in the firm. He's a partner as well. And I was basically born and raised in this community. I went to Thurston, and then I went to Cheney Elementary School. And then after that, I went to St. Francis, and I graduated from Father Gabriel Shart High School. I went off to the University of Chicago and then went to University of Michigan Law School. Why am I running for office? I'm running for office because I believe that I'm the best person to fulfill this role. I was a congressional page at the age of 16, and so I was able to get firsthand experience working for the federal government and to see how the legislative process works. I also interned when I was in college in the office of Senator Carol Mosley Braun. So I was addressing constituent concerns at that time. And most recently, I worked as a legislative assistant for the Honorable State Representative Ronnie Peterson, whose seat I would be filling. And he is endorsing me in this race. I have other endorsements, which I would soon be listing on my website. If you want to find out about the campaign, you can go to robynmccoy.com, ROBYN, McCoy, MCCOY.com. I want to address platform issues such as making sure that there's affordable housing in the district, affordable daycare, make sure that we address issues as far as making sure that there's economic development in this community, job skills training, infrastructure repair. Make sure that we address concerns about public safety, criminal justice reform, and addressing senior rights, workers' rights, women's reproductive rights, and fertility issues. And I know that there's been a lot of uproar recently that the fact that we're on the verge of women losing their right to bodily autonomy, and one of the wealthiest countries in the world and what's considered to be one of the most progressive countries in the world is beyond me that we're having this happen. And that's part of why I'm running, is because, I have studied the law, I've practiced the law, and I think that I would be best suited to be a lawmaker to help make laws to benefit us all. I've worked in the courts, and I've represented clients that have been in their worst situations, whether it's doing indigent defense in the criminal court or representing children who've been abused in the neglect court. I've also helped children and their parents dealing with educational advocacy issues. I've represented folks that have had to deal with getting a divorce and trying to deal with custody disputes, things of that nature. I also do expungements. I help people to clear their records, and I do educational programming. I've traveled all over the state doing programming on what to do when stopped by the police, how to clear your record, how to navigate the public school system. You can go to my website, Robyn Legal, and find out more about my free educational programming. And so, while I've done this programming, I've constantly had people asking me, when are you going to run? When are you going to run? And so the call, I heard the call, and I'm answering the call to help the people. That's why I'm running for office. I'm having a campaign fundraiser that's coming up next week, next Thursday, May 12th from 5 to 8. So you can purchase tickets. I'll share the link, and I'll have more fundraisers that are coming up. And if you want to be involved, as I said, get in where you fit in. You can do some door knocking, phone banking. This is a movement. And if we don't fight for our rights now, then, all is lost. So power to the people.